Okay, so I have these palm trees in this scene here, and everything seems a little dark. I'm not quite sure why. And like all the little plants on the ground seem dark. So I came to this palm tree to see if I could find out what it looked like if I just take a look at the prefab. Because I seem to recall that prefabs get shown in a different default lighting configuration, so I might get a better idea of what it looks like by default. However, when I go to the prefab, this happens. What the heck is going on? Why is it just getting so bright? I'm not doing anything. It does this on its own. And now I can't see what the heck is happening here. Like it's completely blown out. I can't check any detail or anything. So yeah, if anybody can tell me how to stop that from happening, that would be wonderful, because none of this seems to make a difference. Yeah, and when I go back, it's normal. Doesn't matter what tree I pick. When I go into the prefab view, this happens. It's really frustrating. Thank you.